क्या आप MA इंग्लिश एंट्रेंस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं? तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। Starting from 2022 means from this year, all central universities in India will conduct their MA English entrance through one common exam, that is CUET PG, मतलब Common University Entrance Test for Postgraduate Level। और दोस्तों CUET में इंडिया के सारे मेजर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं इसी बार से, जैसे कि JNU, BHU, बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी, देन IFLU दैट इज द इंग्लिश एंड फॉरेन लैंग्वेजेस यूनिवर्सिटी, देन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद एंड इवन यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक अंबेडकर यूनिवर्सिटी विच इज लोकेटेड इन Delhi that is also participating, and you can go through the list of universities in the information brochure that is there on the website of National Testing Agency NTA। दोस्तों अगर आपका सपना है MA इंग्लिश एंट्रेंस को क्रैक करने का, तो वक्त आ गया है उसे इम्प्लीमेंट करने का एंड टू गिव फिनिशिंग टचेस टू योर प्रिपरेशन। और अगर आप अपने प्रिपरेशन को फिनिशिंग टचेस देना चाहते हैं तो हमारे टेस्ट सीरीज को जरूर ज्वाइन करें एंड अ स्पेशल ऑफर फॉर जेन्युइन स्टूडेंट्स। इफ यू शेयर अ कॉपी ऑफ योर एडमिट कार्ड और एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, यू विल गेट एन अट्रैक्टिव डिस्काउंट, बट दिस इज ओनली फॉर जेन्युइन स्टूडेंट्स, दोज हु हैव एडमिट कार्ड और कॉपी ऑफ एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म। So what all is included in our test series? Now इस test series में 10 full tests हैं, means 10 full tests are there, full mock tests. After that sectional quizzes on all the important components of MA English entrance syllabus, means on history of English literature, then literary theory, then literary criticism, after that Dalit literature, then American literature, Indian writing in English, after that literary terms very important, after that research methodology, then world literature because world literature से भी एक question पूछते हैं, and also contemporary developments in the field of literature, means about Booker Award, Nobel Prize Award. In our test series all of that is covered. So in the exam they can ask you when was this year's Booker Prize winning novel first published. Now, हम सबको पता है that in 2022 the Booker Award has been awarded to Gitanjali Shri for her novel Tomb of Sand. But when was this book first published? It was not published in 2022. When was it first published? This book was first published in 2018 in Hindi, and the title in Hindi is Ret Samadhi. Okay, Ret Samadhi is the title. And in case you need more guidance, join our 1-month crash course specially for CUET PG and Delhi University. So what are the things that you'll get in this crash course? Video lectures, audio lectures are also there, theory PDFs will be there, MCQ PDFs, then answer key PDFs, and in the answer PDFs, answers are marked and highlighted, so you can use it for revision. And of course test series is also included in our crash course, so you won't have to purchase test series separately. It is included. And new batch starts on the 1st of June. And remember, the exam CUET PG of 2022 is expected to take place in the 3rd week of July. Okay, 3rd week of July as per news reports. So अभी भी आपके पास अच्छा खासा टाइम है प्रिपरेशन के लिए, फिनिशिंग टचेस देने के लिए। And for genuine students, there is a very attractive discount if you share your admit card or copy of your application form. So join the test series and test yourself before NTA tests you. And remember, a good rank means a good university, a bad rank means a bad university. So prepare well, और ये ध्यान में रखना that time is precious, so use it wisely. And if you are preparing for CUET MA English entrance, then do so systematically. Do not do a random and directionless preparation, because CUET is not going to be easy. Most candidates are going to aim for top universities, means JNU, University of Hyderabad, BHU. So either the cutoff is going to be high, or if cutoff is not high, then paper will be difficult. So in any way, a good grasp over English literature, especially the syllabus that has been specified, is important if you want selection with a good rank. So prepare systematically and secure your seat in a good university. All the best.